Are we rolling right now? Good morning, viewers of Synergy TV. This is Nigel reporting live from Moab Brewing Company. They told me they were taking off from the Moab Brewing, so I helped myself to 1 to 12 pints last night. And ladies and gentlemen, I am feeling it. We're out here at EJS, Pritchard Canyon. We got our friends going up an obstacle right now. It's a little climb, a little ledge. It's a cakewalk. We've got none other than
Wyatt.
We're going to go quick fire around here. Favorite color?
Green.
Would you prefer to eat a sandwich from McDonald's or a sandwich from Burger King?
Neither.
Popeyes or KFC?
KFC.
Is a tomato a fruit or a salad?
Salad.
Yeah. I'll ask the questions here, boy. Hi, out here on the trail, we have none other than
Josh.
I just want to step forward a bit into the camera.
I'd love to.
So is this your first time here in EJS?
It is.
Fantastic. Do you have any cool nicknames we need to know about?
Big Tex. That's what you call me.
Big Tex. If I had a nickname, what would it be?
Kangaroo Jack.
We have many Jeeps coming through. Hi, Jeep people. As you can see, we have a Matt BQ in a Synergy Jeep Gladiator. He doesn't want an interview today. Are we going to be okay? This is Nigel reporting live from inside the cab. Today I'm going to be running the trail with none other than Dave Schlossberg from Synergy Manufacturing. Dave, is this your first time running Pritchard Canyon?
Yeah, let me check. No.
How many times have you ran Pritchard Canyon?
Many. I don't even know. I can't count that high.
If you had an elephant and you couldn't sell it or trade it, what would you do with the elephant?
I'd eat it.
And then if you were to have a superpower for the day, what would it be?
I don't know.
Russia? Would you be Russia, the superpower of Russia for the day?
Probably not.
What in the fuck kind of tea is this? It's cold, and it's in a can, and it's not by the bag. Americans have got it wrong. Check. All right, we're out on Chewy. We got a guy letting her eat. And, you know, with it being Chewy, we're here with Big Tex. Tex, show him what you're working with here with the Chew department. That is the Mumbo Jumbo Grizz can to get your char on, dog.
Always.
Nigel needs a dip too.
Yeah, that's right, Sammy. I prefer playing with you and talking to these idiots out here. Ready? Fetch! I am the worst human in history, and I have thrown the stick into the tree for Sammy, the service dog. Can we talk about these shoes real quick?
Dude, these shoes right here, these are my rock climbing, rock crawling shoes. These are black diamond motherfuckers right here. These are like the stickies of the shoe world right here.
Sticky icky, ooey, put it in the air. Unique New York. We are interviewing none other than Chloe. And
so boring.
What is your Instagram handle for the people at home?
The Cummins Cowgirl.
Cummins. And will you explain exactly what a Cummins is?
It's an engine.
Fantastic.
Wow.
If you could be an animal for a day, what type of animal would you be?
Ooh, that's a hard one. Probably a pigeon.
A pigeon?
Yeah.
A pigeon.
Yeah, you can shit on your haters.
Oh, there you go. You could be a dove and be a posh pigeon. You know, like I feel like that's all a dove is. Like
pigeon?
people, like you go to a town square and they've got pigeons, and you're like, ugh, flying rats. And then people see doves and they're like, oh my god, look at that dove. But a dove's just a posh pigeon. pigeon. I'm basically a scientist. Hello, people at home. This is Nigel with Synergy TV. We're out here on the trail, top of the world, with none other than...
The Easter Bunny.
What is your favorite part about Easter?
Mostly basketball.
He hates carrots. There's the only rabbit that doesn't like carrots. Do we have any lettuce or dandelion bush anywhere for this guy?
How are you supposed to eat these?
That is a sexy rabbit, ladies and gentlemen. Should I do a little jump? Heel clickers, baby. Have you ever been as high as this?
I have not, yeah. But the guys with Ruba trucks that I'm with,
They like to get high?
they're gonna get as high as they've ever got today, I think.
Oh, that's legit. What's the best form to get high?
Altitude.
Altitude. You heard it here first, folks. Thank you for your time, Brandy. Are you a brandy drinker?
More of a bourbon.
Do you have any
Scotch.
in your car?
No, not in the car.